Today on What's in the Garage, it's power, baby, all-American muscle. Plus, Mike finds the answer to the question, when do you have too much in your collection?
If you got 12, you want 13. If you got 13, you want 20. It goes on and on.
It's time for a journey around America in search of the hidden gems, rare finds, and unbelievable collections in the garages of the country's auto enthusiasts. Each week, Mike Phillips will lead us through the amazing, fascinating, and entertaining backstories that make up What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net. Today, Mike is in Tullahoma, Tennessee.
Welcome to this edition of AutoGeek's What's in the Garage. Now, I heard there's a couple really choice Chevelles behind the doors of this garage. Let's go knock on the door, see if anyone's home. Hi, Mike Phillips with AutoGeek's What's in the Garage.
Ken Preston.
Hi, Ken. I hear you got a couple of choice Chevelles in here.
Well, I've got a couple of Chevelles, yeah.
Let's see what's in the garage.
Come on in.
Wow. Looks like a 66 Malibu convertible and a couple of 69s. Why don't you tell me something about your cars here, Ken?
Well, this one here is 66 Malibu. It's pretty well loaded with options. It's power brakes, power steering, air conditioning, bumper guards. Of course, it is a convertible. It's just a daily driver. We drive it everywhere.
Well, what a nice daily driver. Convertible 66 Malibu. Now, it looks like it's got a different hood than stock. What's going on here?
Yeah,
it says a small block down here on the badge.
It is. A lot of people around here come up with Super Sport hoods. They think that looks a lot better. And when I bought the car, it had that on it, so I never did change it. So I just left the Super Sport on there. I think it looks better.
Yeah, it does. It looks good. Gives it an aggressive look, too.
Right. You know, with the bigger tires, you know, it makes it look more beefy.
Oh, gosh, yeah. Okay, what else we got over here?
Well, we got a 69 Super Sport. It's butternut yellow, black vinyl top, 396, 325 horse.
A big block Chevy.
Big block Chevy.
Plenty of power.
Yeah, 396, 325.
Oh, man, it's got to be a lot of fun to drive this around.
Yeah, it is. It's got a little hotter cam than what come in it, you know. It makes a little racket and Flowmasters, you know. It stock appearing, but it's beefed up a little bit.
Man, it looks really original. How many miles are on this car?
This car is showing 72,000, and it's got the original back seat, the original door panels. I believe that is actual miles. I've got nothing to back it up, but I've had the car 20 years. It's been built 20 years, so.
Wow, that's incredible. And it's in awesome shape. It's just beautiful. Since it's got a big block Chevy, would you mind popping the hood so we could take a look?
Yeah.
I'm a real big block Chevy fan myself. Just about everything I've owned either came with a big block or I put a big block in it.
There you go.
Wow, look at that. Yep, that is a 396 big block Chevy. That'll probably lay down some rubber when you put your foot down, huh?
Yeah, it's pause traction, 410, you know, it'll.
410 gears?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this will get up and go then.
And, of course, it's got the original snorkel breather.
And it's factory air-conditioned car, too.
Right.
Oh, boy. So not that you got a lot of horsepower, but you can cruise around in style and stay cool. Oh, that's real special. This is a really nice example of a 1969 Chevelle. Factory big block.
Well, I built this car about 20 years ago.
Yeah. Well, it's good to keep it in the family. You gonna pass this down to the kids?
I don't have any kids. I guess it'll stay in the family, though.
You wanna adopt me? Will you show this car a lot?
Yeah, I have in the years past. It's an AACA senior car. I've got a second in the Grand National. Haven't had it out a lot in the last 10 years, but I used to show it every weekend just about.
Well, yeah, everybody that walks around, checks out the car, they can swing by here and kind of check out what things cost back then if you want to get all the different options.
And everybody wants to buy it for the sticker price.
Oh, I bet. In fact, I'll buy it for the sticker price.
I tell them it's got a multiplier.
Okay. Well, we're going to take a break, but come on back. We're going to check out Ken's favorite Chevelle.
What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net, is being brought to you by Flex Tools, capabilities beyond our competitors, available at AutoGeek.net. And by ARP, the world leader in fastener technology. And by Pinnacle, science and nature in harmony, available at AutoGeek.net.